Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is the part 2 of the video I shot earlier. So it's going to be a continuation. I didn't want the video to be too long, and I want you guys to just grab everything and learn from it. It's not just about telling you stories, it's about telling you about my struggles and things I went through and my life. So if you haven't watched the earlier video, please it will be somewhere here. No, it will be somewhere here. So watch it, and before you watch this one, because it's a story, I'm just going to continue from where I stopped in the other video. So where I stopped was immediately I got married, I started saving for my business. Yeah. So at least that time, now I've established that I'm going to be in Lagos. So I decided to start saving for my shop. So I started saving. My husband does not need my money, so I wasn't actually adding money to the house or upkeep. So it was easier for me to actually save. So I was saving my money. So when it became complete, when I had like substantial amount of money, and I came to meet my husband, and like, baby, see, this is what I have. I am ready to get a shop. So I got the shop, I paid, and I have a shop. There's nothing inside, nothing to put. Although I bought some materials, I mean, when I said there's nothing inside, I don't have like the oven I would wish to have, because the oven I use at home is the one we used to bake. We cook our food at home, so I can't carry it to the shop. That means I have to buy oven, I have to buy fridge, I have to buy chiller. Thankfully, I did my birthday. My brother got me chiller for my birthday gift. I had to get freezer, I had to get work surface, I had to get generator, I had to get display, table where people would pick their cakes from and stuff like that. So everything was in my head. So thankfully, my husband just carried everything like this. Just carried everything on his head, sorted everything, furnished the place, lighting, blah blah blah. Bought so many things. We did signage, we did everything outside. So I started my baking journey back again in Lagos, and this time I focused more on buttercream, modern buttercream techniques, Swiss marine buttercream, some the techniques with whipped cream, and a little bit of fondant, because people don't order fondant as much as they used to like those days. So that's how I went about my journey. I started it in Lagos. When I started in Lagos, it's a new environment. Starting a new business in an environment where you have not sold anything before. I don't have any database of customer of any sort. That was now the biggest problem for me. I was now like, so how do I get customers? How do I go about this? Why would I have to stress myself? So I'm going to make a separate video on how to get customers when you start a baking business. That's the hardest part. You know how to make all those different things in your head, but how do you get the customer to buy it? How do you put it to monetary terms? How do you price it and all this stuff? So I'm going to make separate videos about all this. If it's something, tell me which one of them you're actually interested in. Put it in the comment section and I will get back to you. So I started some of the things I bought by myself. I needed to save more, so I started content creation. Content creation is also part of the ways that I decided to put my video on the map, put my business on the map, so people can know it. You don't know delicious dessert before, but due to my YouTube videos, now you know delicious dessert. Maybe you haven't bought from me, but at least you know the delicious dessert. If you're in Lagos, the first place or the first person you will think of is delicious dessert. So that is what I want to paint, or that's what I want in the mind of people. My camera is down, it's going to go down very soon. So that was one strategy of how I'm going to run my business. And again, that's one of the strategies of how I intend to run my business. Then another hurdle I needed to face is my job. I'm still working. Even right now, I'm still working. It's still a bank job actually. But if you know bank job, you know that bank job is a very, very demanding job. So one of the things I have to face is followers doing what they like. And again, it's your name, it's your brand. Whatever goes out there, it's a reflection of me, not them. This is the face you know. So I will having to always do video call. No, I don't want it that way. I don't want it that way. Take it down. Do it this way. Blah blah blah. It was so stressful on me. That's another thing you have to learn about this baking business. It's a very 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 jealous business. Trust me. Take it from me. I'm giving you first-hand information. It's a very very jealous business. It's not something you can actually mix with something as serious as banking. If you want to go far in it, it's not something you can mix together. Yeah, do I intend to do it full time in the future? Yes, and I will come back here to tell you guys that see, guys, I have resigned. So that is what I intend to do. But however, it's been very very good. I try as much as possible to employ reliable hands to do my job for me. And again, one of the issues that I have currently is actually posting on Instagram. I don't know why I don't take Instagram so seriously, but I take my YouTube so seriously. It's very dear to me. I'll be doing YouTube any day, anytime, even in the future. And one of the issues I have is vlog. So even when I started my YouTube channel, I started as a joke. I made an Instagram video of how to make Oreo cookies ice cream. Yeah, if you want that video, you will see it somewhere here. I posted it on YouTube and it was bringing little bit of traction, but not so much. Then I posted the second one I made from Instagram about how to make a stable whipped cream, and that one blew like ooh. I'm like, well, any day I come back and check, what is happening here? Before I knew it, I was like, okay, my brother dared me to make a video of a basket weaving cake. He sent it to me and he was like, he wants me to make a video of it. That's the only time he will pay me for it. So he sent me the money, I made a video, and I went to deliver it to him. When I delivered it to him, he was like, the cake is actually for you, it's yours. I'm like, what am I celebrating? It's not my birthday. Saying it's your YouTube anniversary of my other channel. I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. That's so thoughtful of you. We cut the cake, we ate it, we enjoyed ourselves. The video about the basket weaving cake is somewhere around here. You'll see it. Please watch it. So I delivered. I was so happy that I never knew the cake was mine. So I put up a video on my other channel stating that the baby cake, my surprise YouTube anniversary cake. So you can watch it you can go right on to my other YouTube channel and watch it. So I started posting videos. So when I thought after those 3 videos, and I'm like, let me do an introduction video of my channel. And I'm like, okay. That was when I did my channel introduction video stating the kind of things I do on my channel and what I'll teach you, troubleshooting and problems, answering your questions and blah blah blah. Did that video, I posted it. I didn't promote any of my video. I have never promoted any of my videos. I intended to promote that channel introduction video, but for some reason, I don't know what happened, whether Google was accepting my card or something, so I couldn't do it. I left the channel like that. So I started posting other videos. People started watching, people started knowing me, people started subscribing. My lovely subscribers that are currently watching me right now. You guys started subscribing and my channel started growing. Before I knew it, I got monetized in like 5 or 6 months, like in April. Okay, on April 8th, I clicked the button that I want to be monetized. So I got monetized. This is May. Yeah, this is May. So close to April 8th till now, it's like about next month it will make it like 2 months that I got monetized. So I started pushing. So this is where I am today, teaching people how to bake. organize a video on an on-site baking class, baking or decorating class. I don't know if people would like it. If you would, please leave a comment at the comment section telling me. I don't know. I just need an encouragement to do it. So if I can explain this much, tell me how. Just imagine how it would be if it's an on-site training. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. If you want another story time, ask me, tell me the kind of video you want me to make,